morning everybody, this is Mustafa Driving School. My name is Mustafa, fully qualified driving instructor, and in this short video I'm going to demonstrate about roundabouts and lane discipline, which lane to stay. So we are in A10. If you live in Enfield, Cheshunt, Watercross area, or if you're taking your driving test in Enfield, this video is for you. So please like, share, subscribe for more video like this. So as we approaching to the roundabout coming up, there's a little bit traffic here, but hopefully will clear up soon. So at this roundabout, depends on the traffic, so we're taking the second exit ahead, and I will be commentating which lane to stay and why. So okay guys, so now we are approaching to the roundabout. At this roundabout we are going ahead second exit and which lane to stay. So now we're approaching and we're looking which lane to go ahead. Okay, so I can see the arrow says a left only, so I need to be in the middle lane, and we're going A10 second exit. Okay, so I can see A10 and the first exit it goes to A121. This roundabout known as big motoring old roundabout, and let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, yeah, safe. Okay, so this is the first exit. Now center mirror, left mirror, signal left and leave the roundabout. Okay, and this part of the road, so now split to 3, so I need to stay in the left lane. Why? Because the left lane is normal driving position, and if you're doing your driving test in Enfield and any other part of the UK, if the left lane available, please stay on the left lane, because the highway code says you must drive on the left lane unless you're overtaking or turning right. So if you do drive in the middle lane or the right lane from this part of the roundabout, as you're going to the next roundabout, if you do drive in the middle lane and right lane, you will fail your driving test because the left lane was available and you didn't use the left lane. Right, so now this part is finished. Now we're going to the next part. Is we got another big roundabout coming up, and this is the M25 roundabout near Waltham Cross, and between Enfield and Waltham Cross. So M25 roundabout, so a spiral roundabout, we're going ahead a second exit, so stay in the left lane because the left lane takes you to that direction. You don't need to signal, just stay in the left lane, continue. But if you want to signal now, as soon as you pass the first mirror, signal left, and now after that cancel signal. Okay, so spiral roundabout, when you're leaving this particular, you don't need to signal. Okay, just check the left mirror now. Okay, so now what happens, the road is bendy here, so check mirrors, just gentle brake, there you go, here, then continue straight ahead. So I hope you found this short video useful. Please like, share, subscribe for more videos like this, and have a lovely day. Thank you very much.